Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. And when you creating new folder in Windows 10 and 11, so your system is freeze, hang, lagging. So how to solve this problem? I'm giving you step by step all method. So solution number one, click to start button, go to setting, and in system scroll down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, and Windows update run. Sometime guys launch from Microsoft, small update, big update, security update, what to. So if you not install and only download and not download and not install, so at that time some facing issues. Okay, so firstly you run this and you show your systems like any issues, so we diagnosing all method and all restart setting and services also. Yeah, so please wait few minutes, then I give you next solutions. So like this, and suppose you different show in your system, it's okay, just cancel to. Okay, then next solutions, third solutions guys, click to file manager, then there are three tip to click options, and then click to clean. We have to just a single click and automatically click into background. This is not see to my your computer on the screen, work automatically background. Okay, then guys, okay, then close. Fourth solution again, click to start button, go to setting, and you have any update pending, so firstly you install it, go to Windows update, last options, and then there are some pending, remover tool, and then KBC is already downloading, and then it start. Okay, and last solutions guys, some I have a 4 command, and that command I will give in description, so you can copy and how to run, look at the video, and then all finish, then your system will be restart, and then check it. Okay, yeah, thank you. Then guys, click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scannow, you look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done when your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issues, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.